USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans. As part of the ongoing civil justice sign-off process, I want to sing three Merry Christmas caroling songs as a part of the testimony also. Okay, I hope you all will enjoy it, and please bear with my accent and I accent, so I hope you all will like it. Okay, so talk to you soon and have a good day. Bye now. Mary, did you know that your baby boy would one day walk on waters? Mary, did you know that your baby boy would save our sons and daughters? Did you know that your baby boy has come to make you new? This child that you delivered will soon deliver you. Mary, did you know that your baby boy would give sight to a blind man? Mary, did you know that your baby boy would calm the storm with his hand? Did you know that your baby boy has walked where angels stroll? When you kiss your little baby, you kiss the face of God. Mary, did you know? Mary, did you know? Mary, did you know? Did you know? Did you know that blind will see, the deaf will hear, the dead will live again? Mary, did you know that your baby boy would one day walk on waters? Thank you all for your time. Say all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I want to sing one more Christmas Merry Christmas caroling song as a testimony for the ongoing civil justice sign-off process. Okay. God rest ye merry gentlemen, let nothing you dismay. Remember Christ our Savior was born on Christmas Day to save us all from Satan's power when we were gone astray. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy. In Bethlehem in Israel the blessed babe was born, and within a manger upon this blessed morn. This which is Mary, Mother Mary, did nothing take a scorn. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy. For God, for Heavenly Father, a blessed angel came, and unto certain shepherds brought tidings of the same, how that in Bethlehem was born the Son of God by name. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy. Fear not then, said the angel, let nothing you affright. This day is born a Saviour of a pure virgin bride, to free all those who trust in Him from Satan's power and might. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy. The shepherds at those tidings rejoiced much in mind, their flocks are feeding in tempest, storm, and wind, and went to Bethlehem straightway, Son of God to find. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy. And when they came to Bethlehem, where our dear Saviour's lay, they found him in a manger where oxen feed on hay. His mother Mary kneeling down unto the Lord did pray. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy. Now to the Lord sing praises, all you within this place, and with true love and brotherhood each other now embrace. This holy tide of Christmas doing that doth bring redeeming grace. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy. I hope you all like this Merry Caroling. Thank you all for your time. Bye now. All nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I would like to sing this Merry Christmas caroling in both in English as well in Tamil also, to be in the same page. Okay, I hope you all will like it. O come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. O come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. O come, let us adore him. O come, let us adore him. O come, let us adore him. Christ the Lord. True God of true God, light of light eternal, our lovely nature he had not abhorred. Born of a woman, here in flesh appearing. O come, let us adore him. O come, let us adore him. O come, let us adore him. Christ the Lord. Sing choirs of angels, sing in exaltation, sing all ye citizens of heaven above. Glory to God, all glory in the highest. O come, let us adore him. O come, let us adore him. O come, let us adore him. Christ the Lord. Yea, Lord, we greet thee, born this happy morning. Jesus, do thee be all glory given. Word of the Father, begotten, not created. O come, let us adore him. O come, let us adore him. O come, let us adore him. Christ the Lord. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye now. And I'll also sing the same song in Tamil also, okay? To be on the same page. Okay? All nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I will sing the O Come All Ye Faithful Merry Christmas caroling in Tamil to be on the same page, right? And I hope you all will like it. Bhaktare varum ஆசையவளோடும் நீர் பாருமே பாலனை வானோரின் ராஜன் கிறிஸ்து பிறந்தாரே சாஷ்டாங்கம் செய்யவாரும் சாஷ்டாங்கம் செய்யவாரும் சாஷ்டாங்கம் செய்யவாரும் இயேசுவை தேவாதி தேவா ஜோதியில் ஜோதி மானிட தன்மை நீர்வேறுத்திலீர் தேவகுமாரன் ஒப்பிலாத மைந்தன் சாஷ்டாங்கம் செய்யவாரும் சாஷ்டாங்கம் செய்யவாரும் சாஷ்டாங்கம் செய்யவாரும் இயேசுவை மேலோகத்தாரே மாகம்பீரத்தோடு ஜென்மன செய்தி பாடி போற்றுமேன் வேனில் கர்த்தானீர் மாமகிமையேற்பே சாஷ்டாங்கம் செய்யவாரும் சாஷ்டாங்கம் செய்யவாரும் சாஷ்டாங்கம் செய்யவாரும் இயேசுவை இயேசுவே வாழ்க இன்று ஜென்மித்தீரே புகழும் ஸ்துதியும் உண்டாகவும் தந்தையின் வார்த்தை மாம்சமானார் பாரும் சாஷ்டாங்கம் செய்யவாரும் சாஷ்டாங்கம் செய்யவாரும் சாஷ்டாங்கம் செய்யவாரும் இயேசுவை. I hope you all liked it and thank you for your time. Bye now. Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. To start with, I hope you all liked the Christmas caroling songs I sang. It's okay if you all do not like it as well, because we are all working on the very crucial issue that needs to be fixed immediate with the civil justice sign-off, right? So that all the Merry Christmas caroling songs which I'm singing, it's all only as a part of my civil justice sign-off process, okay? I also hope you all are working on Who Am I task I provided. Just keep working on that task, okay? So that said, let me continue with ongoing civil justice sign-off. I will provide civil justice sign-off for tax mandate COVID-19 type singles subclassification as in singles with children, okay? So I will explain the chart that is in the video clip that I worked on to provide wisdom education on public awareness and birthrights to be on the same page. So the spreadsheet which I worked on goes like this. The very first session is genders, right? So genders means either males or females. So even the transgenders will come under this classification only. They can identify themselves as males or females. That is all is needed. We do not need third gender. Okay, then comes the married or single section. That means the population either come under married or singles. That's all is needed, right? Then the singles government operations do not even have to know what type of singles population are, right? All they're going to ask is, are you married or single? That's all is needed. That's no need. And even they do not even have to know what type of marriages population was married into, right? So that is the wisdom. That is the public awareness. That is the privacy of population. That's also can be maintained in a healthy human standards, right? Government do not have to know about any of the personal affairs of the population. No, the nation do not have any birthrights to know the personal affairs of or information, detailed information of the human beings, right? The population. All the government needed to provide the government operation is just to know the needful, just highest level of information is all needed. That's all is needed. Then the other session I provided is marriage type code, right? So that way the nation can easily, the government operations can easily tie each and every marriage type to that code. That way it is going to be easy for them, right? It can be easily tracked, it can be easily, it will help the government operations to provide the benefits, national benefits to the population. But nothing, it has nothing to do with the, oh, if this is the type of the marriage code, then reduce the benefits. If this is the marriage type code, increase the benefits. No, everybody is going to get the same benefits, period. If USA government is going to give $1 to one marriage type of population in USA with 300 millions of population, it is going to be the same dollar only for other population also. Okay, it is going to be unbiased and perfect heaven mode of national benefit system only. It's going to be provided. So for that they wanted, it helps when marriage type code is provided. Okay, and then I provided one more session, right? And I given a title to be on the same page, and it's very user friendly titles only. Everybody can understand, okay? And it's called as of January 2021, Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer, he only created tax mandate COVID-19 marriage types. So when he created all this marriage type hells, who should the government should mock or reject benefits for? Is it for the population or is it for the Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer? You all got it right. So USA nation government should reject all the benefits and throw Pope Francis in the volcano in fire. In volcano in Hawaii, to be fried in ashes, to be gone without a trace, because he is the one who created all different types of marriage types, all exclusively for tax mandate, when there should be only one marriage type in each nation. That's all. Simple as that. A man, a woman have to get married in clean love, in innocent love, and live happily ever after until coffin or beyond coffin, right? That is how it should be. A man and a woman should marry happily ever after in clean love and just live in heaven. And that is how God designed the basic operation of a man and a woman. But then this Pope Francis, just because of the fanatic love of crown, fanatic love of eating the tax dollars, as in dollars every single day, that is why he created the tax mandate process called COVID-19 hell, right? And people never knew, oh, they were all thinking, oh, all these marriage types are there? Wow, how many choices are there to choose from, right? But then that is wrong. That is an illusion. That is a temptation he provided on mandated purpose, just to destroy the holy marriage law mandate as in true Christianity. So Pope Francis is what? He is an absolute Islam. He is an absolute Judaism. Pope Francis is in Judaism. Pope Francis is a Roman King Herod, and he hid every single truth to all the nations. USA never knows that Pope Francis is a Roman King Herod as of today. And that is the innocent part of the USA. That is all, though even in the at-fault mode and found guilty in all crimes of Vatican mode. But that root cause, once when the root cause is identified, it has to be fixed immediately. We cannot ignore it. Oh, let that devil live alone. Who cares mode? No. He should be thrown. Pope Francis should be thrown on the volcano in Hawaii just because he destroyed the holy marriage law mandate, right? And he also provided all different types of marriages, and all created only for tax mandate. That is wrong. That is absolutely wrong, right? Don't you all think so? Don't you all think that as of now, in less than 1 second, USA must send the drone and then lift Pope Francis and just drop him off in the volcano in Hawaii to be fried in ashes beyond, without any trace? Who gave authority for Pope Francis and the team's absolute monarchs to destroy the holy marriage law? They do not even have any birthright to do that. But still, because of the absolute monarch tag they have, the fancy tag they have, which means they have the divine rights of God. That means they are the ones who are just jumped from the heaven mode, and they can take control of the nations, and they can do whatever crap and nobody will dare to ask, because if nation asks them, the Pope Francis will kill anybody. So it was all created in a very organized, legalized mode, the crime itself. So that needs to be fixed, right? So that is why I'm keeping on telling, just be patient, my dear fellow mankind, I'm there. And I will just throw absolute monarchs, everybody, count by count, I will call it by name, opening only Holy Bible guidelines, right? There should be a healthy death penalty process that needs to be provided, and it will be done. Pope Francis will be fried in ashes without any traces. He'll be gone forever, right? So this session is all about what? Marriage types, right? So I named it as a title as of January 2021, Pope Francis created tax mandate COVID-19 marriage types. So do you all want to know all the marriage types? You already are aware, because if you are in a same page, in the earlier session I provided, like in the party, right? I provided all the, in couple of sessions I provided all the marriage types, the spreadsheet chart, right? So the marriage types are what? Marriage type 1 is arranged marriage. Marriage type 2 is forced arranged marriage. Marriage type 3 is child marriage. So marriage type 4 is LGBTQ marriage. So marriage type 5 is polygamy marriage. Marriage type 6 is domestic partners marriage, that is living together, getting pregnant out of wedlock marriage type. Then marriage type 7 is a love marriage. Now, if you are going to see, all these marriage types are created by only Pope Francis. So that means it all needs to be suffixed and prefixed with the COVID-19 tax mandate COVID-19 error. 666 mark of the beast process has been enforced, right? He enforced the 66 tag, each and every single, no matter what, whether they are married mode or whether they are single mode, they will get the tag, the shame logo tag, the crucifixion tag on each civilian's forehead. And that is the hidden puzzle behind what exactly is the 666 mark of the beast process. That it? So tell me, population in the arranged marriage population are victims of abuse. Then for our population in the forced marriage population is also victim of abuse. Then population in the child marriage is also victim of abuse. Then population in the LGBT marriage also is population also victims of abuse. Then marriage in the polygamy marriage types are also victim of abuse, right? And marriage type domestic partners who never get married and just live together and get pregnant out of pregnancy, out of wedlock, is also victims of abuse. Then the marriage type love marriage is also scam, right? We identified that. Because when love marriage is healthy, then why there are unhealthy marriages in the whole wide world, right? So that means every single population means 7.9 plus billions of humans' lives has been destroyed. So who is going to pay for the damages done? Can you all see that how President Joe Biden will resign any second, any moment? He himself will do a do-it-yourself resignation process, and he himself is going to proclaim loudest that all the nations can hear, sound and clear, that he is going to resign in any moment. And it is President Joe Biden's responsibility and accountability to sign the job offer to me immediately. And again, proclaim loudest to all the nations worldwide, Vedapriya is the wisest woman in the whole wide world. And Vedapriya is the true owner of USA. And Vedapriya is going to be the interim leader of USA. And Vedapriya is going to be the Supreme Chief Family Law Judge, Supreme Chief Medical Judge for all the nations, and Supreme Chief Finance Compliance Judge for all nations. And Vedapriya is going to be Vatican leader. And for all the rewrite project, 50,000 year of rewrite project for Medicare and Medicaid, it is Vedapriya who is going to provide the complex enterprises software solutions architect provider, design solution provider for all nations. And with the customized salary of 250,000 per annum with benefits. And the patented design cost for expense alone is anywhere between $25 billion to $1 trillion that USA have to pay me. because I am going to rewrite 50,000 year rewrite project. It is going to be that much of man hours of labor that needs to be provided, and I'm going to provide the foundation, excellent design solutions for that. So, can you all understand? There should be only one marriage type. That is it. Simple as that. Right? But how many marriage types he created, this foolish Satan, Pope Francis? Only for tax mandate. Can you all see? I know you are, my fellow mankind, you all your blood cells must be boiling. Just be patient, okay? We all are in this together, right? And I'm standing in front of all the nations, and I'm standing in front of entire human kingdom. And I sure will get the civil justice served in the rightful way. And I sure will get the medical composition. And I also will get the job. See, I have to get the job offer signed immediately, right? Only then I can provide all the tasks correctly, right? So this is one section. And what is another section I provided? Biological moms. Okay? See, you guys need to know that why that be a need for biological mom flag means biological moms are the double innocent population, always forever. Right? So when in the marital covenant, which is also called as a constitution or a government, right? In true Christianity alone, holy marriage law is called as a government, is called as a constitution. It's called as a holy covenant, right? And it is a heaven. That is how it should be. A man and a woman should marry in clean love. But then this biological moms only, always forever, has the highest impulse to have the sole custody of children, regardless of whatever state they are. Whether they are married, whether they are single biological moms, whether they are married biological moms. So that means even on the impulse to have the sole child custody, the foster parents gets only second priority. Got it? Yes, they are parents only. They are classified as a biological, but then because of that foster parents mode, they get the second impulse, second level of the impulse only. Always forever, biological moms only must get the sole custody of child, because excellent supreme caregivers in the whole entire human planet kingdom are only always forever biological moms. Even in animal kingdom, always forever children grows only with the moms. So that even the nature also educates that only, right? So we humans got foolish with fooled high. Who fooled human kingdom? It is not humans, no. It is never even, not even governments. It's not even national leaders, no. It is not the government population as well. So then who on the earth destroyed the human brain nerve cells on having the confusion about the biological mom's impasse part of it? It is there again. Every single hell, every single human error, all traces only to Vatican. It is a Pope Francis, a Satan, the Antichrist, who provided the confusion to the national governments to the extent now each educated population also never knows that only biological moms must get only the sole custody, child custody, regardless of married or regardless of single. Got it? That's why I included that. Okay, so can you all see how the Department of Child and Families and how Department of Tax and how Department of Justice and how Department of Health Services all broken in pieces, and they all must be only in this jail forever until I start the job and bail them out, right? Can you all see the softer lines of codes error they provided? And it is not one day scandal, my dear fellow mankind. It is forever. It is even beyond the 500 years old of scandal. All for tax mandate. Right? So yes, absolutely the absolute monarchs will get out in the volcano and they will get fried in ashes only. Okay? So I provided that one session, and the other session is, as of January 2021, there are only 3 parent types categorized. I just categorized it so that it can help on the government population level. And there again, they should not even discriminate. Oh, are they biological parents? Oh, are they foster parents? Oh, are they grandparents or the relatives who are taking care of the children? No. They should not discriminate. I just provided that as a coding. That way it can help the population, because the population are on different varieties, right? So they should not even ask the population, are you foster parent? They should not ask. Government operations should never ever ask population and to put population under shame, right? We all know how foster parents are created, because Pope Francis created the infertility. Pope Francis, only the hell created the impotency for men and infertility for the women, to malfunction the human operations. And we all know what are the root causes. The root causes is when people are going to eat the genetic modified foods from the grocery store, or going to eat any of the medical drugs that with lethal side effects provided by pharmaceuticals as in Monsanto or Pfizer, this infertility is going to be created, right? Or cancer is going to be created, or birth defects are going to be created. So nobody can mock the foster parents. So then why on the earth the government even have to know whether the parents are foster parents or biological parents, or parents or grandparents, relatives who are taking care of the children when the parents are died or divorced or become widows or like that, right? So, but then I wanted to provide that as a session just for a user-friendly mode. That is all is needed. Government should never even ask any of the personal affairs from the population. Who is government to even know any of the personal affairs of the fellow mankind, unless and until it should be the fellow mankind's individual choice to let their personal affairs to be known to the public. It should be their choice after all, right? But then that's not the case. They are going to ask all these questions, and they are going to make that population to be at fault mode, shame mode, false prosecution mode, right? Because when systems are going to include all these things, can you all imagine how the shame is exponentially increased, right? Exponentially increased. And nobody have to know nobody's information. It should be all secured. That means retracted, right? Meaning nothing should be public. Nothing of the population information should be allowed to be seen by other people public. So that itself on the baseline itself is wrong. When Pope Francis is a Satan, Queen of England is a Satan, why on the earth even the Department of Justice and public searching Google search engines and everything have to display the public information of the population's personal affairs? Why? Those are all $1 trillion of penalty that USA have to pay. I will not leave the United States of America for provided all kind of a hell after hell after hell. No, that is not how the government should operate. Nobody should know the personal affairs of the nobody. Without knowing anything, only people should show that clean love. Because once when they are going to know about things, there will be a prejudice, right? Meaning a judgmental way of talking, stereotyping way of talking, right? That is not right, right? So then there is a polluted love there up front. Only when people knows other people thing, only then they can talk. Means it says it all, right? How the fake. Who created all this kind of hell for the fellow mankind? Never national governments, never national leaders, never Republican government, never Democrat government. Then who? Never population, never medical service providers, never justice providers, never Department of Child and Families. And who? Who created all this kind of hell for the fellow mankind? To create false prosecution, to create false shame, right? False guilt, right? Making to feel an LGBTQ civilians to be at fault mode when they are innocent after all. To make the diverse population to look like at fault mode, but they are innocent after all. And always only Pope Francis, only holy kind of a mode. So who created all this hell for population? Only Pope Francis. And he'll be thrown in volcano in Hawaii and he will gone in ashes only. I don't know whether his mom is living or not, but she is the cursed lady for delivered that Satan into this world to destroy the human kingdom, right? Then what else I provided? I provided another sessions called as of January 2021, 7.9 millions of humans are in households. Households means what? Shelter. So regardless of homeless, regardless of refugee, regardless of poverty, right? Regardless of employed or unemployed, and if you are employed, regardless of low income or high income, regardless of self-employed, regardless of having small business process with less than 50 employees or not, regardless of having high paid jobs, right? They should, when government is providing any kind of a national benefits, be it finance aid or loans, they should never ever ask, are you employed, are you unemployed? Oh no, we cannot give loans to the unemployed, sorry. No, they cannot do that. But as of today, each and every single bank, each and every single mortgage, each and every single finance services, each and every single retirement services, each and every single unemployment benefit services, all are sealed and shut down. All must get into the jail immediately. So Hewlett Packard cannot mark the JP Morgan Chase. JP Morgan Chase cannot mark Google, Microsoft and Apple. All are in jail only. Should be in the jail only. Got it? Because the crime is so deadliest, because the software logic has been written in that way that only for employed population, only for people who can pay back the loans, only those can get the loans. That itself is wrong, right? And then on the that is very higher level. Then second level of crime is what? They're proving a insane level of interest level. Right? That is absolutely wrong. Income tax, right? 35% of income tax. I already explained on how the tax works. You have to provide 35% of your income to the Pope Francis and Queen of England. Then you have to provide the tax of unemployment income, benefits income to the Pope Francis and Queen of England. And you have to provide the tax and the interest, increasing rates, right, in your credit card interest or debit card interest, and your home loans interest, loans of anything of that matter, be it student loan, burial loan, personal loan, right? All these have interest, highest rate of interest, and population are fried in hot oil every single day because of the scandal provided by the financial services. And they were thinking that nobody will ask them any questions, right? That means they never even had a clue that one wisest woman, Vedapriya, I am that I am, will be born, will grow up, and will stand as a rock, as the toughest of all toughest, and will stand in front of entire human kingdom and will get the financial medical aid compensation for all the financial services errors that they provided. Not one day scandal. This scandal has been going on forever. And beyond whatever Pope Francis created, he also educated national to reject the loans to the homeless population, reject the reject personal loans or anything for the unemployed population. Now reject loan population or loan process or credit card processing for divorced population, for single parents population, for refugees, for orphans. Can you all see how that layer and layer and layer all are hell only? What if those loans are categorized in a healthy way and provided in a processing of absolute holiest process, right? And it destroyed everything. Those dollars are belong to each civilian, whether they are unemployed, whether they are single, whether they are single mom, whether they are domestic partners, whether they are divorced, right? Whether they are employed, whether they are unemployed, it all belongs to them only. But the finance banks behave as if the dollars belong to them. No, I just slapped on each and every single financial services. Right? They all are handcuffed now. They all are super mad. They will be only accusing me to death because the crime is so deadly and reveal the scandal, what exactly is $1 trillion of worth of scandal. And as of now, they all must be going into the jail, be it JP Morgan Chase CEO or Goldman Sachs CEO or Freddie May CEO, you name it, or Housing and Urban Development CEO or Rental Association CEO, American Rental Association CEO, Organization of Commissioner of Insurance CEO. Everybody should be in the jail only. Every single software lines is destroyed. So Apple, Microsoft, Google must be only in the jail only, right? So can you all see the distractions they provided, right? That's absolutely wrong, right? With my solution, with this chart alone, that is all is needed. Government can boom, 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 boom. They can start doing excellent, supreme heaven mode of government operation. That is how the government should operate. Government should do its government's job. Population should do their job. What is population job? Just love cleanness, get married, live happily ever after. Is that a rocket science? No, right? It's never a rocket science to love clean. So why there are abused persons there to create an havoc for fellow mankind? That is also created for tax. It's not going to be like that anymore. No. Right? Because when I'm going to provide a law, what will I provide? The abusive people, if at all they love to hurt fellow mankind, they have to provide an overview session, a training session. Why on the earth they want to hurt fellow mankind like that, right? And then they will have to pay $500 billion tax-free for 500 years. After that only, they can even think to hurt the fellow mankind. Boom, that is all is needed for disciplining the abusive patients. There is no need of any prison facilities anymore, right? When the death penalty is provided to the absolute monarch, that is all the death penalty. After that, there will never be death penalty for the population worldwide. They will take their own responsibility and they will live how they have to live. And I will have only cane in my hand and I will discipline. That is all. Just seeing me, the abusive patients will get healed on that spot. They'll never, ever, forever will even dream to provide any abusive of any nature. That is how it should be. A nation should proudest tell, hey, no. Do you all know nations? Our nation is the wisest nation. There are not even one single abusive patients as of now. That is how our nations are. We population are very wisest. We only follow wisdom pathways. Means that is how a nation should be. Right? But that's not the case. And I am going to discipline all nations. Right? So for that I need to have the job offer signed off. Got it? Yes, I am providing the public awareness and also I am also providing the birth rights. Because that is a part of the education that population should know. A civilian does not have any birthright to hurt fellow mankind. It's as simple as that. That goes for abusive patients or not non-abusive patients as population as well. Right? So I have to provide the excellent healing for abusive patients also. So nobody can mark abusive patients. No, that's not right. Because Pope Francis only created abusive population means it is Pope Francis who have to pay the $500,000 trillion to entire population for creating abusive population because vices are the sufferers always in the hands of foolish. Who is going to pay for that damages done to the brain nerves, right? Okay, so what is another session I provided? The other session, so household means I'm providing a flag. Yes, it is household. It is on a generic level. It is a shelter, right? Whether you own a home, whether you're homeless, whether you're renting, it all comes under the shelter category. So that means government should know whether people are homeless or whether they're renting, whether they're home owners, and they should provide a free housing for all the renters, tenants, and free housing for all the homeowners. Because I already explained whether civilians are living in an apartment, it is a sophisticated homeless, that is all. They should be owning an affordable house. That is the truth. That is the civil justice that needs to be served. provided. And government cannot define, oh, go live only in one bedroom home, or no, go live in $25,000 home. No. Who are them to define? It should be the civilians to choose whether they want to live in $1 billion home or a $25 million mansion or $1 home. It should be the choice of the civilians to choose, right? So everything got scanned, everything got broken in pieces because the baseline, the foundation of the government operation is also destroyed. So I provided a next session for the government to clearly understand what is a household. Can you all see how the foolish USA government never even knows what is a household? They do not have any family values, right? Be it President Joe Biden, President Trump, you name any, even President Obama, nobody have that family values. They are all providing only show, right? They have to talk because they have to get the job of president. For that, they have to do a fancy talk, sweet talks to get that job. That's all it's needed. So I am just educating what is a household, what is the value of family, right? It is free after all. Do you all know that? The cost of a family, loving family, is free. Yet it's priceless just because people are living in a heaven mode. That is how it should be. Every single day, people should celebrate Merry Christmas. Every single day, people should celebrate the festival of love. Happy Merry Christmas is what? It is a festival of love actually. He destroyed, Pope Francis, he destroyed that holiest festival as well. I explained to you already, right? So what does this session in the spreadsheet chart displays for governments to understand what exactly the household and the populations are? The adult age people are called as what? Moms or dads. That means adult age, moms and dads. Then the categorized populations are teen moms and teen dads. Then again categorized, I provided a flag for child marriage. Why? It is $1 trillion error. There should never, ever, forever, a nation should never have any child marriage type. But it's still there. So tell me, what is Pope Francis going to do about that? Is Pope Francis going to say he knows what is child marriage? Or is Pope Francis going to say he don't know what is child marriage? Can you all see how we are winning the case after case after case? It's all home run, right? We won the case, my dear fellow mankind. He is going to be thrown in a volcano only for created child marriage scandal. And that too being a religious leader, and that too being a god of USA mode. He is going to be thrown. And all I am going to do is just show the Holy Bible. That is all. So there again he got caught. Pope Francis is going to say he knows Holy Bible, or he is going to say he don't know Holy Bible. Pope Francis is going to say Pope Francis knows who is Jesus Christ, the true God. Or Pope Francis is going to say he don't know who is Jesus Christ, is true God. I mean, that is the truth, because Pope Francis is in absolute Islam and Judaism who created all this kind of stuff only to destroy true Christianity. Whatever true Christianity says, he just reversed it. And population, governments and national leaders never knew. And they were just only wondering why on the earth population are tortured. And they wanted to solve the issue, they wanted to provide healthy services, but the helpless mode. They could not find the root cause. And I am here, I jumped in, I stepped in, right? When a nation is in crisis, all the nation is broken in pieces. All of them are choked up. All the national leaders are in total shock mode because all of them are handcuffed and all of them must be in the jail only. Be it London Prime Minister, be it India Prime Minister, be it China Prime Minister, be it Dubai leader, be it fake Israel leader. Everybody should be only in the jail now. I only can bail out all the national leaders according to my civil justice process. And I get to choose who gets to stay in the earth, who should get out of the earth immediately. Who are there? Who are absolute monarchs to destroy the holy marriage law? Who are them? I never asked for the Pope crap. Yeah, it's okay if the population are thinking, oh, why on the earth this lady is saying Pope Francis is a total crap, right? He is a crap after all, because he destroyed civilians' peace. that passes understanding, right? Every single day, innocent civilians are tortured emotionally. Who will pay for the damages for that? So can you all understand there should never be any teen moms and teen dads? So yes, I will provide a testimony just because I was working on that poverty-free end of the year 2030 volunteer project. I educated. And because of my education only, nation across the globe, nation by nation, continent by continent, the teen moms and teen dads' disability was reduced from 100% to at least 50%, I would say. Because the younger generation, I saved the younger generation, right? They are all happiest because I am born. Because I am the one who are going to get civil justice for them because they cannot talk. Because they have been provided with what? False prosecution, false shame and false guilt. And they are innocent after all, absolute innocent. Right? And then the other type of parents are what? Child age moms, child age dads. Can you all see that tax services never even provided to these particular population who cannot be employed because of the child age mode, and still they are into that child marriage hell, and still they will be getting pregnant, and still on the child age itself they will be having sons and daughters. Can you all see the hell and hell and hell and hell? And the finance never even provided healthy benefits to them. As of today, the President Trump administration, there is an African American neurosurgeon doctor only, is leading the housing and urban and development division in USA. Right? What is he going to answer today for the civil justice? I will only ask him to get out of the earth now, immediately. Okay, get out. Right? Because he never even provided affordable free housing to the child marriage population. Being a neurosurgeon doctor, I will revoke his doctor's license. I forgot his name, but that's okay. Right? Can you all see how the national leader has been misguided? Meaning President Trump in Republican government has been misguided. That is wrong, right? That is absolutely wrong. He was thinking, oh, neurosurgeon, a doctor, oh, he will provide at least affordable solutions, but he did not. And the crime is the deadliest crime he provided. He cannot even, does he have any shame? No, he cannot even ask any apologies to any of the population. So that means, can you all see, it is the doctors and the medicals and the educated population who are the health creators, who are the poverty creators in the world, right? Because they are given the title of being a boss. He misguided the welfare services as well, right? Because the welfare services is going to provide the shelter assistance, be it rental, be it Habitat for Human, for building the affordable housing. He destroyed everything. And the being insane, being inhumane, he had the developer, right, the town planning development leader. I think it is Ben Carson or something. If I'm wrong, just disregard it. What is he going to answer to me? I just slapped on his face, right? You all got it. Right? I provide only unbiased civil justice. You be white skin, you be black skin, you be African, you be South American, you be Canadian. When it comes to the civil justice process and court of law, everybody is accountable to answer for the injustice provided. Now tell me, I can easily ask that the town planning and the urban development leader, who is a doctor, to pay $500,000 trillion to each and every single civilian times total 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever. For Pope Francis destroyed all these shelter processing. Can he pay? You all know he cannot pay, right? Then why would he even bother to destroy the national operations and misguiding the national leader with fatal negligence? You tell me. That HUD development leader can even accuse me or curse me to the death. Who is this stupid lady who is revealing all the scandal like that? And even can spit on my face. I already said I will just wipe out the spit and I will keep on displaying all the errors of the USA government because the crime is deadliest, absolutely deadliest. And if you're going to go and look on that HUD services, right? They provide all the foreclosed homes. So that means the finance services, they will also foreclose all the civilians owning homes also. That is a scandal and a scandal and a scandal. Emotional torture, eviction, it's torture. And it says, oh, there is foreclosure, means what? People will get super mad, right? They will break all the whatever it's inside the home and then they will just vacate because they cannot pay the mortgage. The banks won't provide any help. And then the foreclosed homes for sale. Can you all see the hell after hell? And when civilians want to get the foreclosed homes, it will all be broken in pieces only. But there again the scandal, people have to pay the money, be it $25,000 or $1 to get a foreclosed home, which real market value might be a $500,000 home. When it is a foreclosed home, it is going to be sold for very less amount. But then when civilians are going to get into the foreclosed home, everything will be broken and they have to pay another maintenance cost which will double the regular market price itself, because cost of living is high, tax, they have to pay tax, property tax, utility tax, maintenance tax, lawnmower tax, tax. Laundry list of tax. Wrong, absolutely wrong. What is that town planning leader going to tell to the whole entire world for all the deadly scandal provided? Right? Everything is wrong. Every single thing is wrong. And finance services must be sealed and shut down immediately because they provided human endangerment process. Tell me, the town planning also has been guided only by the medical doctors, right? So the doctors only should have guided, hey, finance banks services, when you're providing home loans, give free housing, free $1 billion homes to teen moms and teen dads. Give the whoever is coming to ask for the home loan, just give them a free $1 billion tax free. Period. Fully paid home and fully furnished home is. That is how a civilian should live a healthy, decent life. Right? It is not the HUD leaders' dollars. No. He does not even have any birthright to provide all kind of restrictions. But can you all see how the banks, even softer lines are coded in a very wrongful way? It's also all created because of the Pope Francis only. Right? And this HUD development leader cannot even say, oh no, Pope Francis only asked all the town planning and all the finance services to reject basic national benefits for the population. He cannot give an excuse. So that means the housing and urban development leader, right, who was in the President Trump administration, Ben Carson, who was also a presidential electable candidate, right? President Joe Biden cannot help him. So can you all see why nobody can help nobody? And why I asked him to get out of the earth? It can seem so rude, right? Oh no. He got the curse of the Pope Francis after all. Right? He cannot give any excuse. When a civilian is not given a free housing, oh, there is no other crime that the nation can be provided. Absolute crime it is to enforce a civilian to be on the roads. When Pope Francis, the real hell creator, is living in the palace and eating richest food every single day. That is wrong. Absolutely wrong. But they mandated all these things. So at least what is the good news? I am educating wisdom to entire nations, right? I handcuffed through the Pope Francis the Satan and Queen of England, the Elizabeth II, and all the Islam leaders right in front of the all nations. They cannot run, they cannot escape. Everybody, all nations will just throw, and all the absolute monarchs in the volcano in Hawaii only. So, even at the at fault mode, I Vedapriya alone, can bail out Housing and Urban Development Town Planning Division leader Ben Carson. I think, if I'm wrong, just disregard it. I'm aware that he is an African American. That's all I'm aware of it. And he was also a presidential candidate, but he was not nominated. And he was the one who was serving in the President Trump administration. That's all I know on a very highest level. So yes, I can bail him out, because innocence is identified. Got it? I want only innocence to be identified, because this foolish person, the Ben Carson or whatever his name is, or person who was leading in that President Trump administration, being a Republican, he never even knows what. All this entire scandal is mandated only by Pope Francis, and that is the innocence part. So that is why, can you all see, being a doctor, being a neurosurgeon, being an educated popular civilian, never knows how to provide healthy, affordable solutions, right? And he's a Republican. A Republican means what? Traditional values. So having only tradition values in the name of tradition values only, he destroyed entire operations. That means for past 4 years, the scandal is increased exponential. That is why I asked him to get out. But then I can still bail him out. I will say, okay, for heaven's sake, just resign the job, go enjoy your retirement services. I will take over the Housing and Urban Development Town Planning Division, and I can be a Supreme Chief Judge, and I can provide all the affordable solutions. Just get out. Just resign. No. Right? Or can you all see how men's club only provided all these kind of a help, and they cannot understand, they can never be caregivers after all, right? A true woman is what? A double innocent woman only should rule a nation, because the wisdom will be overflowing. Population will be living only in wisdom. But sadly, Pope Francis, he destroyed everything, because he himself is a man. He want to make sure that it's going to be a men's club everywhere. And he destroyed everything. Men are only innocent, so there will be more foolishness, right? And each and every single law also will be created according to their selfish desires and pleasures. Right? That is how sexual immorality types all are signed off only by male doctors only in United States of America. That is why Harvard Medical School and Harvard Law School is handcuffed. They are should be only in the jail forever until I step in, I start the job, and I provide the bailout for them as well. So nobody can mock this Ben Carson, who destroyed the housing services. And Ben Carson, being a neurosurgeon and being a leader of housing and development team for shelter services, cannot mark any of the population. The crime is the deadliest. And I will ask him, before mark or before bullying any of the population, pay $500,000 trillion to civilians for them to get healed from the emotional torture alone. Are civilians joke? Are civilians dirt to be treated less than dirt by the USA government? Never. Ever. Forever. Right? Nobody have any birthright to treat a civilian less than dirt. But that's not the case. As of today, as of January 2021, every civilians are treated less than dirt only by the entire national governments worldwide. The scandal is worldwide. That is a cancer actually, after all. That's a leprosy disease after all. I already explained, when there is a humane nerve chopped, only inhumane and insane foolish nerve is getting activated, and that is an analogy. That is an excellent analogy for a leprosy disease, how severity the disease is all about. So I am not a doctor. I never went to the accredited medical school. So who got the shame? That neurosurgeon Ben Carson, who was a presidential elect candidate, never got nominated, and he's also Republican, and he was also got a highest position in the government to lead the housing development services. Where he is going to have his face when he has to answer for the civil justice services today, right? Can you all see the crime he provided? But also there is an innocent, just because he never even knows that this scandal of housing is also created only by Pope Francis. And he became in a helpless mode, to look like at fault mode, to look like at guilt mode. So Dr. Fauci, Dr. Brinks, Dr. Ben Carson, President Trump, President Joe Biden, they're all on the same boat. I slap everybody. What I'm providing, just resign, for heaven's sake, get out. Get out of the government operations. I will start over, and I will start leading the government operations, because I know how to fix it, right? So one more time, let's do the review, okay? I grouped the moms and dads on the adult age groups. Then the child age population, or teen moms or teen dads. Then there is a flag I provided, child marriage. Then child moms and child dads. So then I came up with a session called children population. That is very important, right? When in an household there will be children also. Meaning parents with children, singles with children, means that's how they need to get the calculation to provide the benefits based on the cost of living, right? When there is one full loaf of a bread a family is going to get from the grocery store, a mom and a dad will eat that bread, children will eat that bread, relatives visiting their home will eat that bread. What if they are only enforced to get only one slice of bread? We, USA government, going to provide only one slice of bread. Live with it, die with it. Whoever in your family, let them go hungry. That is not, but that is the reality. That is how it's happening here. There should never be any thrift stores. Do you all know that? Do you all know that? A nation should never, ever, forever have thrift stores. Never. And a nation should never have soup. There are so many harvest festival, harvest, second harvest, then soup, whatever the soup thing, and the Salvation Army, where they provide a show, right? Oh, for we are collecting dollars to provide healthy meal for these cancer patients, for poverty population. Please provide. That is wrong. That is $1 trillion of crime. So that means Salvation Army have to go to the jail. For how long the Salvation Army is there? You all know, for past 100 years, right? And what kind of a show they are providing? They are the only Christian missionaries who went to China, who went to Asian nations to save the population of the non-Christians, to get it converted into the Christianity. Everything was a scandal and a scandal. Pope Francis made that scandal to look in a very nice way, right? Can you all see how every single operation, there should never be any dollar stores, my dear fellow mankind. No, there should never be any dollar stores in United States of America, but it is there. So yeah, all are going to go get into the jail now, right? Well, what people were thinking, if they are poverty, means they have to go only to the dollar store. If people are homeless, they have to live out of the thrift stores to get the clothing, to get the basic utensils. No, that is absolute crime to have a basic civilian, not to have a basic decent healthy enough lifestyle, basic essential met, and enforcing them to go to the thrift store is itself a $500,000 trillion scandal, right? Can President Joe Biden pay for that? Tell me. Who gave authority for the United States of America to even build a thrift store or dollar store? Why? What's the reason? Now, as a testimony process, I provided all the wisdom education and nobody listened. That's why we are all in this scandal of the COVID-19. And I only can fix, everybody knows. Got it? You all got the answer, right? The only task is you all are wondering, who am I? And you please work on that task. I will reveal who am I to you all. Okay? So Department of Children and Families, everything is broken. They never provided the healthy benefits to the poverty people at all. But that's what they're telling. Everything is wrong. Every single thing is wrong. The United States of America should never, ever, forever, should never provide any shelter programs. No. Should never provide any mobile homes or manufactured homes to the poverty population. No. No. Never, 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 never. Who is going to pay for those damages? And what is United States of government, Republican government, and the Democrat government, the Senate, all are going to answer for? They all have to get into the jail now. Senate beat Senate, Republican GOP leader, Democrat GOP leader, House of Representatives. The lawmakers, they have that fancy tag, right? Like they all got the lifetime jobs. Senate, be it Mitt Romney or anybody, all should be thrown only in the jail right now for the scandal they provided. They cannot give any excuses. I only can bail out all the Senate. I only can bail out Republican GOP leader who provides roadblock after roadblock after roadblock. Right? He is the one the hell created in the entire US government operations, and nobody can fix it. Nobody can even make him to resign. Right? But all things will happen in its God's labor way. I only will say, get out of the government, Republican GOP leader. I have all the proof, my dear fellow mankind. He will resign in any second. He himself is going to say, he wants to resign, right? When I'm going to reveal more truths to you all will only puke blood after blood after blood, because the scandal is so deadliest. Got it? Okay, so then I provided the child count. Why children per household session means government needs to know how many children are there, because children are always dependent mode only, right? So then what more is a scandal? They should not be going to workforce, but then there are child labor scandal as well. Can you all see how President Joe Biden is handcuffed and he's getting slapped by me every single second? And please do not laugh at me because, this wisest lady slapping President Joe Biden. Oh, how cool as it is, like that. No, please do not laugh. It's not funny. Right? For out of all his entire career, he could have at least fixed this child labor scandal, right? Don't you all think so? Because he's a lawyer. He never fixed it. And how shamefully can he be president of USA? You all tell me. There is I don't know whether God will forgive President Joe Biden. That is why I am asking him to go to his hometown Delaware, fall down in knees and pray to God to get the forgiveness from God, because the crime is so deadliest. He never fixed child labor scandal. A child age person worldwide should never, ever, forever should never go to the workforce. Never. Never. But this scandal is spread out like a cancer worldwide. Do you all know when an American, regardless of the skin color, regardless of ethnicity, regardless of whatever they are, when they are going to eat a piece of chocolate got from the grocery, do you all know it was so unethically manufactured because of enforcing child labor worldwide? And child labor is only on the highest level, but then child labor on different scandals has been provided worldwide, meaning the child age civilians, innocent definition population, are treated as an adult mode. And they have been exploited in whatever way they can be exploited. You name it. And nobody provided civil justice for them. And I am that I am. I talk for those entire child labor population. Yes. You all might be wondering how on the earth this wisest lady is controlling her emotions and not even shedding a drop of tear. Right? Because I am educating only with the strength given by God. Got it? The wisdom is given by God to me. I already said I am God's child. I have supernatural powers. I already said that. So I am going to stand in front of entire child labor population, and I am going to get the medical compensation to be provided to each and every single child labor who have been tortured every single day worldwide in an unethical workforce called as child labor. How many educated population are there? You tell me. Can you all see why I handcuffed Harvard Law School and Harvard Medical School and Oxford Law School and Oxford Medical School? They are the ones who created the child labor processing also, just for tax. Tax. Every single thing you name, any operation, is all created for tax. And those child labor population, right, they are all only children, younger generation, right? They cannot even say a word out loud because they are in the child mode, right? They have been suppressed with whatever emotions, feelings, treated less than dirt, right? That's not how it should be. Can you all see when I am slapping President Joe Biden, who are all getting slapped? President Obama, President Trump, President George W. Bush Jr., President Jimmy Carter. I'm just slapping all of them. And whoever died also I'm slapping them. Meaning, I will only ask United States of government to go dig up all the coffin for all the presidents who died. Bring those coffin back, because the medical compensation have to be provided to all the child labor population. Not even one national benefits provided to the child labor population. And they are enforced to work more than 12 hours a day in the farming lands, picking up cottons, picking up cocoa, picking up whatever you name for the farmlands. Who is going to pay for damages for that? And they were not provided, the child labor population, they were not provided with healthy preventative measures of clothing. Barefoot, without wearing footwears. They have to go to the farm fields with the rocks and thorns on the ground. They have to walk long distance. When adults are themselves, they don't want to do all this kind of a hard labor. So can you all see, even in the adults, humans are so selfish and cunning? Who is going to pay for those damages done to them? It's a lifetime scars created, right? They have to live with it, they have to deal with it, and die with that hell only, in poverty. That is wrong, my dear fellow mankind. You all should know. And I will provide a testimony. Just because I reveal that true scandal of whatever that's going on in the cocoa farming and coffee farming, right, worldwide. I like chocolates, okay, and I started eating it because seeing that, being aware, because I was working on an analyzing process, only why poverty, what poverty, where exactly poverty, and I was working on root causes only. So when I was doing that job, when I got the truth, and it created more emotional disturbances for me, I started eating the chocolate for a while. And then, do you all know what happened? It's another $1 trillion worth of accomplishment I provided already. It's all being worked on. Now, if you go to the grocery stores, now if you go and look into that chocolate bars, you will see fair trade, provided with ethical workforce. Like that, you will be seeing the logo. Can you all see how I disciplined the agriculture services of USA? I just slapped on them, left and right. They were just puking. Oh, please stop slapping me. I never stopped. I was just only slapping, slapping, slapping. Go, fix all the broken things. Now, if you go and see, I think the Lilly is one of the brand of the chocolates, I think, right? So they all are providing ethical standards way of fooding. If you're going to see not only for the chocolate, if you're going to go and see in the coffee aisle to get the coffee brands, there they're going to say it is created only from the ethical standards. Because I slapped Starbucks, I slapped everybody, left and right. Left and right. And they could not tolerate the slap because it was all fire slap, When I slap, I provide only fire slap for the discipline. Here, each and every civilian have to spend out of pocket minimum $5 to $10 to get a glass of coffee from the Starbucks. But I'm talking about only 1 cup of coffee. But then imagine how much he makes, the Starbucks owner makes the zillions of dollars out of it alone. When civilians can make an excellent coffee at home, super coffee at home itself. He provided illusion. But they go to South America, the Colombia coffee, and even India. They all are producers, excellent producers of coffee. They go, they get the farmers, they exploit the farmers there, get very less, for more profit for the Starbucks by getting a less paid coffee. So meaning the farmers in South America, or farmers in India, or farmers in Africa. If you see on a patterns of abuse, only these 3 continents have been targeted because they are all innocent, no education. They do not have any awareness of the dollar value with the currency value. Can you all see how exploited and scandal expands exponentially? So this Starbucks CEO, how cunning and selfish he is. Goes to South America, gets an excellent variety of the coffee beans for a less amount. Because if you're going to look into the currency value in India or Asia or in South America or in Africa, it's very less. And then he comes to the United States and he provides a coffee, the same coffee, where people can do the same coffee, same quality of coffee can be done at home. In India, the people will make coffee only at home. They will never even go to there is no need of going, unless and very rarely only they will go to the eatery, hotels and like that, and that time only they will get a coffee. But most of the time, it's a staple food after all. It's the same thing for tea. The Lipton owner, CEO, how selfish can he be? And Nestle CEO, and Cadbury's, and Mondelez. If you're going to look at all of them, they are all owned by whom? Queen of England Elizabeth II. Can you all see how that layer by layer of crime has been created? And nobody knew. Lipton never, see, that means I will ask the Lipton, the Hershey's chocolate makers, right? I will ask them, all them to get out of the earth only. Because they provided child labor scandal with or without awareness. So that means nobody can mark nobody. I can bail out them. That is all I can do for a basic minimum chief civil doctor. That is all I can do. I cannot forgive all these people who destroyed the national operations. No. And that too, the child labor is the deadliest scandal that can be provided to any child. A child must never ever be into the labor force, workforce at all. So Department of Workforce Division is also handcuffed. They have to go get into the jail immediately. So in one jail cell, Department of Children and Families will be there. In one jail cell, Department of Workforce Division will be there. And in another jail cell, Department of Health Services will be there. And in another jail cell, Department of Tax Services will be there. And in another jail cell, Department of Justice Services will be there. And in another jail cell, Department of Housing Development leader will be there. Nobody can mark nobody. They all have to stay on that jail cell only until I come and bail out all of them. Right? Can you all see how the educated population and how the adults only super cunning and super self-centered people who are creating all in the name of humanity, all in the name of education, all in the name of government. Government operations should be holiest, my fellow mankind. It should never be polluted. It should never be, a government should never be a polluted government. But then it's not the truth, right? Please bear with me. I am going to still provide all these education in a part by part. But just explaining the spreadsheet alone took so many hours. So just be patient, because we all need to address this and fix it. So what more of the child section I provided in the spreadsheet. So when you are going to see in the video clipping, it is going to move faster, okay? And I don't know how to reduce that speed to slow mode, okay? I will try to work on that later on, okay? Because there is no time. With whatever time I'm having, I'm just quickly working on all this as a multitasking only. I should get the civil justice, I should get the finance aid, I should get the job, and I am educating the population, I am educating the government, right? It's a multitasking I'm working on. It's an absolute complex task. So what is the session? So children were to get the count per household. So that means children are classified as what? They are either sons or they are daughters. That is all. But then I provided a children type code. Why? Because there can be only one child household, or two children household, or three children household, or any number of household. People, there again, government cannot define this many children only parents can get. No, that is wrong. So China provides a ban. China makes a penalty when the population get married and they get children. The Chinese government pays a penalty. So Chinese leader is handcuffed, he will be thrown in the jail after all. Who is going to answer for those damages done? How many Chinese population, just because of that ban, even though they are in love, true love, they cannot get pregnant. Even if they get pregnant, they have to hide the truth out of fear. Can you all see how emotional torture mandated worldwide? And can you all see how Dalai Lama only destroyed China? And he is another face of Pope. See, I told for destroying the Asian nation operation, Pope Francis allocated a job to Dalai Lama, and he successfully destroyed that. And he is going to pay the price. He'll be thrown only in the volcano in Hawaii. And what is a Chinese leader going to do about that? The damage is done to the population. For they never should get any children. And it happens in India and Asia also. They restrict the number of children, means the population are getting illusionized, right? They get fear one side. And so that is why I provided all this. So it is perfect, and it's a super fire slap on President Joe Biden, and he will surely, my dear fellow mankind, in less than 1 second, microsecond, he is going to resign. He should resign. He cannot be a president anymore. No. So the children type code, what I provided, one child household, two children household, three children household, and then fourth category is the n number of children. Right? And then then I also provided two children household. Then I also provided a three children household. So when it is coming to the two children household, it can be either only sons club, right? Meaning all the male club, right? Because when two sons moved. Or it can be either two daughters family household. Or it can be either son or a daughter moved. So that comes under the category of two children household. Then 3 children household means what? Either 3 sons or 3 daughters, or 2 sons and 1 daughter, or 2 daughters and 1 son more. So this is what I provided for a higher level for a government to understand. Right? So can you all see the scandal? So this is what is all about, that education about the spreadsheet alone. So it took 1 hour 17 minutes along with the 3 Merry Christmas caroling songs I sang. So please be patient, and for the next session I will still have that Merry Christmas songs, but then I will provide the civil justice sign off as another session. I hope I'll finish it in the next session, okay? But can you all see, just for me to explain the spreadsheet alone took 1 hour and 18 minutes. People have to know, right? So can you all see the crime up front? President Joe Biden is going to faint and fall down, pass out. All the Senate, all the government officials, they are going to pass out immediately on the spot, looking into the spreadsheet. So thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye now. We are all in a good spot. We are all winning. We won the case already. Right? Just be aware, I am that I am, born to save the world. Okay? And I will continue in other sessions. Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye now.